Hello guys and welcome back to the Carsy World, and here we are showing you the differentiating video of both the old city and the new city. So let's begin without any further delay. So as you can see, there has been a change in the headlamps. Now you get the 9 set LED array with the LED fog lamps design, and there what you can see is that you get LEDs but not 9 set array design look, and the front look is completely changed, and as you can see the grill is changed very much, and not like it is more of a sleek than more of a, as you can see out there, that it's not that much shave and cut off a crease thing, but and there you can see that the bumper is also all new. So what I see is that the new city looks way better and way hotter than the old one, but old one has its own class and its own charm, as you can see it out here. Another prominent change which you will see while driving the car is that here is an increase of 2 PS of power in the petrol engine, and the engine bay, you can see engine bay is quite same, not much of a change in the engine bay, as you can see out here. Let me show you the old one also, and not much of a change. The only change is that here in the old one you didn't get a insulation, but in the new one you can see that there is an insulation, and the lights look gorgeous. They just look so pretty, so gorgeous, and they look very elegant, very charming and very rich look. Let me give you a close call out here, and you can see it from here only, the difference. Here it gets a very nice treatment. So not another difference what you can see here is that in the old one I feel that the indicators are not as bright as here. You can see they are very bright. I don't know if you can see this in the video clearly or not, but if you look closely you can see that there is a change, and that is quite good. And talking about the side profile, the alloy wheels are also changed, and talking about the alloy wheels are very different, but the size of the alloy wheels are exactly same. The tire profile is exactly same, as you can see, but that both the designs look very charming, very appealing and very pleasing to the eyes. And here if you see there's a minor tweak, I don't know if you will notice or not, but the size of the sunroof has been increased further in this one as compared to that one. So the new one gets a better sunroof, and overall the side profile is distinctive but similar to, as you can see, at the same time the shoulder line is very similar, these creases quite similar, the handles are quite similar, but overall they look quite different. And as you can see, this gets a more of a slopey design, and this gets more of a sharper cut, and due to which this car looks longer, which it indeed is, and it looks quite very awesome. The length of the car has also been increased in the new generation, which increases the further leg space, which we will talk a bit. And the boot might look bigger, but it is smaller in size in the new generation, which is not quite familiar what we expect. And talking about the tail lamps are different. As you can see, they are all new look from the behind. The older one look well sporty due to the black inserts, while the new one it looks very elegant and very nice. Simplicity, excellence lies in the simplicity, which is stated by the city. And here if you see in this one the lights are not till the side profile, but in this way we need to get the side profile extended till the tail lamps. You see the extended till the side profile, which is quite good also. And I know I am using the word good and quite very often, but that's what this car is all about. It's very good. And the boot, let me show you boot also. So as you can see the boot out here in this car, the boot is big enough. Now let me show you the boot of that. The boot of this car is also quite nice. That one is deeper, but this has overall more space in terms on spec sheets, so no problem regarding that also. So the door panels have also been changed. And talking about the interior, this car gets a 7-inch TFT display in the now, which earlier it wasn't. And in the older one you get it, the center console is like this, the touch controls and the digipad 2.0, which is smaller than the new generation. And Talking about the lag has been reduced in the older one as compared to the new. The older one has a more lag, and this does not have a lag. And rest, if you see that this car has physical controls for the AC, which is quite nice, and I personally like them. And in that you don't see that any kind of leather finish in the dashboard, but in this you get wooden and dash, which makes it better appealing. And the seating comfort has also been increased. Talking about the leg space at the rear, the leg space is increased by a humongous amount. As you can see, in this new City you get a humongous of this much of space, but if you compare it to the older City, you don't get as much of a room. So there is a quite amount of difference of space, which is prominent due to the increase of the length and as the Honda says, machine minimum, man maximum. And here you get a lane watch assist camera, which is a very useful feature. The camera display is there integrated in the infotainment screen, and the camera quality is quite nice also. And in the CVT gearbox, the rubber band effect has been reduced further. That's it about the car. Wrapping it up, as you can see all over the walk around of the car, and that's the instrument cluster for you. It gets a gyroscope also now. Again, quite of a nice feature. That's all the changes from the old to the new generation City. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment and share and subscribe.